Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whenever we push a new software release or launch a new tool, the code is only half the battle. The real nightmare is getting the marketing assets ready. You have to hunt down the SVG, you have to use Figma, you need to pull the images here, you need to create the prototypes and all those stuff, right? Today, we are looking at a tool called Branda by Context.dev. This is AI generator that completely skips the design phase. You don't prompt, you don't upload file. You literally just paste your website URL and it generates fully branded, ready to go, shipped ad in a second. So we have a few examples here, but first we can go through the site. So as you can just see, I'm moving my cursor around and they have a cool feature, like they are just popping up the site URL with the Notion and all those templates. So I move cursor, I just follow them, and this is the all site. They don't have any footer and all those stuff. So for our testing, I was looking here. We have a few options. So what if we can find another site that they don't have provided to us? Because most of product is working fine with their samples. So what if we go beyond their samples? So I have a one website, flix.me, and let me paste the URL. Okay, so we have a button here, so it will generate 4 to 6 ads. We don't have any premium. This is, I believe, open source project from the Context.dev. You can click to generate here, and there is a open source library. If I just click here, we can explore it. So this is the library, Git, MIT license, and also, so that is indicating this is a free open source project. So if you scroll down, you will verify all the features and the promises that they have made. And as you can see, they have added some real examples here. They have shared the table of content like domain and company plus products, for creative directions, background copy, and the 12 creative directions. So what they are saying: product hero, typographic, gradient. So how it works: you paste the domain, it will take that domain and will go to the API and call their GPT 5.4 mini, 1 LLM, plan 3 company concepts, followed by the 1 to 3 product concept with grounded for each. And after that, they have their project created in Vercel. And after that, you will be able to see the downloadable images. So they have shared all the details. You can just find out this. This is the URL of their GitHub. Don't forget to start it, and let's back to that site. So we have added a www.silex.me. So let's click on generate me. Okay, it's loading. So now just think that way the concept they have shared. So it's making a call to the Context.dev API where they hosted a large language model, and it doing all the communication. And as you can see, we are getting the results now. So this is pretty much fast. They have also mentioned the GPT images over there, and they have defined their model, but I'm not sure if will be go beyond and how they are managing. I believe that is a local model, so they are doing all this effort by themselves without any sponsor. So as you can see, it created few images. That is pretty good. Managed hosting, Silex desktop, Open Silex, and the own website, and this is pretty good. So you can click on download. For this one, it's just still struggling because they have promises to 6, so we have a 5 here. So other than that, we can new brand, like we can just click on new brand and we can follow the same steps. So that way we have to edit a website again, and it will create few images here. So this is a few images that you can download, share on X, or try another brand. So every ad is a one by one image ready for feeds, tech, and campaign. It's pretty good. So if I click on new brand, let's try with the stripe.com at the moment, and let's find more examples. So wow, that is pretty much good. Like if I said like you don't need a Figma or a Canva for it, you can just came here and you can play with this tool, and you can at least it will provide you the basic images for your website or the product, so that you can just capture and you can upload on your social media. So that's all pretty much for today. So I will get back tomorrow the new products. So if you like the products, just hit the like button and the subscribe button, so that way I can find more productive products that can ease your life. So goodbye for today.